What's up, guys? So sorry for no videos. I don't know if you guys can hear the car next door. There's a McLaren being started up next door, but I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on how to do the Big Duck Club. I don't know who else sells them, but the dual caliper brackets that they sell and how to install those on M3 trailing arms. Because personally, I got a little bit confused in the beginning, and I was staring at it like, how does these go on? So, just a quick video and just a little overview, you know, some content, something to keep you guys going. But yeah, hopefully this helps, and yeah. Alright, so just grab the light so I can show you. So this guy comes out first. There's a little Allen bolt that goes in there. I use the number 5 Allen. There's the little bolt to get it out. So that's step one. These guys fit like this, so it's a little bit confusing, but see that bracket? Oh, see that bracket right there? This guy actually goes over it. Those bottom bolts go in, and then that's what's going to be holding your 540 calipers. So like I said, once you get that guy out, right there, these guys will fit on pretty much perfect. I keep getting the flashlight in the way, but just trying to show you guys how those fit. And then there's a bolt that'll come through from the back. I'll show you guys later once the car's up. And first, just secure these bolts. They're these tiny, and these two, I believe. There's 2 down here. Yeah, those 2 down there, and the little guy up there. Okay, once again, dual wielding the flashlight and the camera. So this guy right here, the small guy, is an 8. These 2 bigger guys down here are 10s. So just get those flat, and we'll move on to getting the bolt that is down there. We'll thread that guy in from the back, and then we'll move on to mounting calipers and discs and seeing how those fit. So we stepped away from the car for a second. I had this guy mocked up just to show you how this is going to fit. I do not have the flashlight in my hand right now because I am running around with parts. But that guy goes pretty much like that. I was going to double check that for a second. I know it's dark, you probably didn't see anything. But yeah, I am grabbing the wonderful stock rotor that is actually covered by FCP Euro because it's great. If you buy any parts from them, pretty much, like, if you run it all the way down, they'll still provide you a new part, even if you raced on them, broke them. Their warranty is amazing. That's kind of what they do. That's what they're known for. So I always try and buy any wearable parts from them, just because they always hook it up. So we'll put those on there, and we'll see how it goes. So one thing we do know about this specific set of trailing arms that we got is, I don't know if you guys see that, but I know you guys hear it, but this is secured. So we know that the wheel bearings are out, so we have new wheel bearings coming, but just a little clearance. Not much clearance back there. So hopefully the new wheel bearings, since it won't be so collapsed and wibbly wobbly, we could see a better setup of how much clearance there really is. So once we get the new wheel bearings installed, we'll let you guys know for sure on how much clearance there is. So that should be next week. We have got wheel bearings coming. So we did switch to rubber perches, by the way. So no longer adjusting the rebound, well, not the rebound, but the spring rate. Just running whatever the lowest is available. But yeah, there is that good old clearance. It's very small. So for now, I'm gonna mount everything up, make sure everything fits, run all the wires, run all the cabling, since this is all gonna come off again to do the wheel bearing. We're not putting axles in because we're still doing the wheel bearing, like I said. Just make sure everything looks correct. Alright, so continuing from where we left off, we just took a little lunch break here at the shop. Yeah, you guys can't see anything from here. Let me grab the flashlight real quick. So, I think I'm gonna pause right here just because of how much play we have. It's kind of scary. So, and then this way I don't have to run these bolts in. This one's already mocked up, so we know how that's gonna look. And on the other side, I just need to get this cut off on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. And we'll do the other side, do the same thing. Ooh, hopefully that's not a piece of metal in there. Looks like it is, but it'll come out. So, I don't know if I can show you if we ever took that thing apart from next door, but let's see. Move some stuff around here. One of these is an M3 axle, one of these is 328 axles. We had an M3 axle in here that actually was completely destroyed. So I think we have one good M3 axle, and I think these are 328 axles though. Both of these. Yeah, because those threads are stripped. So yeah, this one's an M3 axle right here. This is the good one that I had. This is the stripped M3 axle that we took off another car. One of the buddies that came over who did some stuff with his car and ended up needing a replacement of a bearing and bad things. So let's see, you know, classic Beamers being oily and all that fun stuff. Let's see what else. I dropped this a little bit more just quickly. That sensor is getting pinched and turned the wrong way, but it is what it is. That's just the brake sensor. All of these things were lights and bobs and bins and compressors, stuff that I don't need. So I think that's it. I think we're calling it for here. There's not much else to really do that's left today. We're gonna get wheel bearings in, get it all set up. Don't have any more of this nonsense. Let me see if I can get a side view of this. But yeah, if you guys can see that, it's a good amount of play in that. And on the other side, actually, I don't know if I did it with the rotor. I think I did it with the rotor for you guys already. The main reason why I'm not going to finish this is because there's a lot of play in there. So we'll do that. We'll finish that. We'll run the hydro. We'll plumb the hydro. This is out. Like I said, just that back bolt goes in. Let me get you guys a view of that. Hey, you can see why the thing is so messed up. But that back bolt right there goes in, the Allen bolt. That's about it. And then everything else mounts up. So I think that's it. Yeah. So it's the same thing for the other side. Since that's about it for today, not really gonna go over it again. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our little semi-tutorial, talk about the car, oh, the car's messed up, and all that stuff, then hit that like, subscribe, and follow us on all our socials. And if you guys ever need any help, we're always pretty responsive to all our stuff, so just send a little message and we'll get back to you as quick as possible. Yeah, thanks.